All right. Sign in page. Log in. Again, login successful without entering any information. Let's log out. There's letters now to log in, so that's awesome. That's great. Can't remember if that was on the last one or not. Homepage. I know it's Tuesday now, technically, so there are no specials. But again, so the specials from Monday should still be there. And I did see specials on Monday about an hour ago. So if those specials could stay there until 4 or 5, maybe even 6 a.m., actually 6 a.m. would be great. If the specials for Monday would stay all night until 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. And again, obviously the same thing for Tuesday specials will go on until 6 a.m. Wednesday morning, and Wednesday specials will go on until 6 a.m. Thursday morning. Because bars don't close where I'm at until 4 a.m. Let's go to specials. Now, none of the specials that I actually put on are on here. Again, it's Tuesday though, so I don't know. But if these specials, if they're not for Tuesday, they shouldn't be on here. Only, well, actually, it's 12:10. So any specials for Monday right now should not be on, or only specials on Monday should be on here. And I know I've said this a lot. If you click on it, this can we make this clickable so we can delete them? Because I can't delete this because you guys put it on, but I need to be able to delete that if it's wrong. Because if not, then there's going to be thousands of specials for Monday, and only those people can delete them. But if they don't go back and delete them, then there's going to be wrong information everywhere. So, I mean, I know you can see where I'm clicking. So if we can click on this and delete the special, that would be great. And I manage specials. I mean, I've added a bunch and they're not in here. So this did go to Tuesday. That's great. But again, since it's only 12:11 a.m., if that could still say Monday until 6 a.m. Also here, if we could click on this and change the times, anybody could change the times. If we can do that, that would be great. The stars are still cut off at the bottom. I don't know if that's what you're seeing. And then rating save, just, I don't think it ever goes away unless I click out of it. Oh, there it goes. Nope, rating save still there. This button right here, if we could make it so that button just does this. So this, I would like to do the same thing as that. The whole button. Doesn't matter where they press. The Go feature, still working good. Good enough. I mean, it's a little off. I'm not sure why that would be, but this shows that I'm 1.2 miles away. And then this shows that I'm 0.7 miles away. Not that big of a deal. If there's any way we could get that update specials right here by maybe moving this up a little bit, the specials, moving that up just a little bit, maybe making this up here move up a little bit, that heart can go up, maybe the name could go up a little bit, just that little itty bitty space right there. So the update specials button right here would be above the footer. And I'll write that down. Maybe that's even something I can do later on. Once I get the code. But again, the big thing on this page is this needs to be deletable by anybody, not just the person that put on the special. And if this right here could fit into the button without it going, down to the second, I don't know what I'm talking about. This could just be on one line and have that fit. It doesn't matter about the size. If the text has to be a little smaller, that's fine. So let's go back home. If I go to map, it actually centers me over the bar. I don't know, because I'm not on the bar right now, so it still centers me over that. But then when I hit the center button, it centers me over where I'm at, which is strange. If we could fix that. Also, we've got other bars in Indianapolis, and then we also have some in Erie on the admin page, and they're not showing up. Even if they don't have a special going on right now, they should be on the map. Because if they're on the map, then people could be at the bar and they could add a special for today. But right now, I can't add a special because it's not on the map. As if I'm at a bar over here, well, it's not on the map, so I can't click on it and add the special, so it doesn't really work. Also, the footer seems bigger, and it's, as you can see, it's kind of cut off. I don't know if that's something that we can change to go back to the way it was. Just make those smaller so you can actually read the words. When I go to map, and someone types in the city, if I put in Erie, and maybe I'm doing this wrong, but if I type in Erie, PA, it doesn't do anything. But then on the document on DOCCC, it just stays where it's at. But on the document that you sent me, it says that it works properly, but it's just not working for me. I'm not sure if I'm typing something in wrong. I don't know. Well, let me try this again, though. Erie, PA. If I hit the... I don't know. And then it just stays in there, so I don't know. That isn't working for me, though. So that this is kind of what that is supposed to look like, but instead of the drinks picture, it should be the bar picture. And that's why I didn't think we actually needed to add a picture for the drinks. So, yeah, if this is, Corona Extra, boom, that's absolutely a beer. Yeah, beer. So then if we go to shots, well, I guess we don't have any shots. Mixed drinks, anything? Okay. Or if that's wine, I'm not sure what that is. Okay. So that's getting there. But again, that the picture should be the picture of the bar. And people will know that we're separating the specials by the type of drink. People will know that. And I almost want to do that also with this, is put the picture of the bar instead of the picture of the band, because they need to know where it's at. And that's on me. I didn't really talk about that because that wasn't, a big deal at the time. But if this could have the same bar for events, and then this Utah's musical group would be exactly where this is, where the actual drink special is, and then we would know that that's where that is because right now I can't tell where this is at, where this Blue Fairies is playing at. I don't know where they're playing at. That doesn't help me. And we don't. I just clicked on this for the first time. I think I've never noticed this. You don't need to be able to click on the band. I don't think, because I don't even know where we would edit that at. I don't know how to add information for the band. So again, same thing like I was saying here. The bar and then the event would be right here. Okay. Again, change the picture of the drink to just the bar, picture of the bar. And then also the map still isn't searchable for me. I don't know if it's searchable for you. But I think we're getting down to the kind of the nitty gritty. We're almost there, almost done. And I know it's taken way longer than I expected. I'm sure way longer than you had expected as well. But I think we're getting there. Hopefully. All right. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.